Hey everyone, it's Shanae and I'm back with another video. Today I'm kind of going off of something that I've just been watching a lot recently. I've been looking at a lot of growing videos and planting different vegetables, fruits, things like that, and I'm just fascinated about it all. I thought I would start us a garden in our new home. So I felt, the need to have like a space for different vegetables that we would eat, different fruits and stuff. And I've just been going down like a rabbit hole, learning new things, getting so much information, and just where to start, it's a lot of information, there's a lot to take in, but I've decided to grow a garden. I want to show you some of the things that I've purchased today for the beginning stages of doing a garden. This is just all new to me. Like I said, I've never, well, as a kid I did a little bit of growing like in school, and then I was a part of like the plant program in like high school, but you don't really take that stuff seriously until you feel like you really need to, right? So recently I've been having these thoughts about making a garden in our backyard, and mainly because a lot of things in the stores have been getting recalled. I wanted to start off with something that I know we would eat, like things in a salad, fruits that I know that they like. So that was the goal. I wanted to go ahead and get started. Everything is from the Dollar Tree. So first, I want to show you these cute shovels, planting shovels. I plan to use this at some point, but they were $1.25. I did not want to miss getting these. I don't know if they'll still be on the shelves during like the later spring season. So I wanted to get me two. I got a lime green and a teal. They had other colors, but I thought these were very springy. And you got one that's a little smaller and this one's a little bigger. So I purchased these two. Then I purchased these. They are compressed seed starter mix. So it's like some soil that's been compressed. You want to place it in like a container or something, or a bowl, and just saturate it with water. And then you have your soil. Then you can pack it in a container or a planter, and then just start your seeding process. So it's a seed starter mix. So we have our planter pots. We have a 12 pack of these starter pots, 3.5 inch in width and 3 inches in height. So I got 12 pack. So it's like a 24 pack now. And then I got these ones. These are super cute. They're seed starter pots, and these are the biodegradable ones. So when you start your plants, you can use these containers, and you don't have to remove the plant from this container when it's all said and done. When the plant starts to sprout, it can actually stay in the container, and you can just take the whole thing and just put it in one of these beginner pots, and you don't have to remove it because it's biodegradable. It's supposed to, you know, supposed to just go away at a certain point of its growth life. Um, I've never done that. So I may test one of the plants and put it in here and see if it really is biodegradable. I mean, they can't sell something and lie about it, right? But it says it's biodegradable, so we're gonna hope it is. Then I found a strawberry planter. It's like a starter kit. It's a grow kit. It comes with a pack of strawberry seeds and like the dirt for it. I'm sure you're gonna saturate this and put it right in there, and then you'll add your seeds to it, and a strawberry plant should grow. Maybe some runners, and I can start my strawberry plant for my kids because they tear up some strawberries. And for $7 a pound, $7 for strawberries, a pound. Like the whole pack be gone in a weekend. It's kind of sickening, but I guess it should be good, you know. Should be happy that they're eating fruit. They don't mind eating fruit or vegetables, so I ain't too mad. But if I could start this and it grows something, that would be awesome. I'm super excited about this. Next, I saw these cute gardening gloves. They so pretty. They have like this pretty floral print on it with like these little beads on the fingertips. Super cute. I'm excited to wear these. I don't even know, you know, I mean, just to keep my hands from being messy in the dirt and stuff, blah blah blah, whatever. But I just thought they were super cute. And I got my first pair of gardening gloves, and they came from Dollar Tree. And then I also found these ones. They are like a neon yellow and like a turquoise color. And these are premium safety gloves. So these were like in the tool section of the Dollar Tree, but I was really feeling the color and I was like, they could be gardening gloves. So these are another set of gardening gloves that I purchased. The fingertips are kind of like gritty. It has a texture on it. And I just thought the colors was like super springy and cute. So I was like, I just grab these and use them for gardening as well. Next, they had Miracle-Gro potting mix, y'all. I seen this and was like, okay, Dollar Tree. Now, this was not $1. It was actually $5, but you still can't beat that. It grows plants twice as big, feeds up to 6 months. More blooms for more colors. Again, it was only $5. You really couldn't beat it. And if it works and, you know, if it does really well, I think I'll go pick up another bag. Okay, so last but not least, it is my haul for my different seeds that I got. So many seeds. So many seeds. So I wanted to grab, I knew they was gonna have the seeds out. When I first went through there, I seen like the flowers and I was told get marigolds. Marigolds are great flowers for bees, butterflies, things like that, so they can pollinate and that helps the growth in your garden. So I got me some marigolds. That is the only flower that I got. I don't necessarily want to plant flowers, but if it does help like my seeds to grow a little bit, if it helps my seeds to grow a little bit better, then I'll do it, okay? I just want to try everything. So I got me some marigold. It's this Cracker Jack mixed color. Picture, super cute. These ones say Marigold French Double Dwarf. And these are my 2 marigold flowers that I picked up for the garden. This one is from my hairstylist. I told her that I was looking to start growing in a garden and I wanted to like use my space in the backyard and see what I could do. So she gave me some cucumber. She's so sweet. She gave me some cucumber to start my garden. My first packet of seeds. And I just can't wait to start it. I can't wait to see what grows. I can't wait to try it. Like, I'm just so excited. Next is the ones that I pulled from some peppers that I use for like some spaghetti. So I had some red and orange peppers that I had with our spaghetti recently. And all those seeds that were in the peppers, I just took them right on out and folded them in a paper towel and put them in a Ziploc bag. So these was like my first official seeds that I got for this season. So definitely going to try to grow these. So I picked up some carrots. Yes. I wasn't really going to do carrots, but I said, why not? These packets of seeds were 4 for $1.25. You can't beat that. So I picked up a bunch of them. I also wanted to grow some spinach. Love spinach. Ever since I was a kid, always loved it. We picked up some beefsteak tomatoes. These are like super big. I hope I can complete this look. I hope I can do it. We gonna try. I also picked up some basil. My hairstylist was like, if you do tomatoes, you got to do basil for when you're like making your spaghetti or pizza. Have some basil. It's going to taste really good. So I picked up basil. I also picked up some lavender. I love the smell, and I think that'd be super cool if I can get that to grow. I got some cauliflower. This is really good stuff. We got some hot peppers. Maybe I'll make like some jalapeno poppers. I don't know, but you know, I just want to try it all. We got Roma tomatoes. I think you would use these type of tomatoes for like pizzas and spaghetti, things like that. So this with some basil, probably the bomb. Then we also got some red cherry tomatoes. I would use these like in salads. So they're a little bit smaller. I'll just chop those in half and put them right in my salad mix. The bomb. Love tomatoes. I'm super excited for all of these tomato blends. And we have some garden bean Kentucky Wonder Pole. So I guess it's like green beans. I'm excited to try them. You know, if I can grow them, then that would be super cool. Next, we have some onions. I was looking for like those big onions. They didn't have them. They had these ones, and these are like white Lisbon bunching. I've never really used this onion, but it's an onion, so I'm open to trying anything. So yeah. And then as far as like my lettuce mixes, I got some kale, some dwarf blue curled kale. Kale, I'm usually like putting this in juicing when my juicing juices and stuff. So I'm curious to try it. I will try it. I'm gonna try everything. And then I have two types of lettuce here. We have Grand Rapids lettuce, and we have Paris Island romaine. I use romaine a lot now, a lot. Like I purchase romaine lettuce now for my salads, for my Caesar salads, for my regular tomato, onion, cucumber salads. Romaine lettuce is like my go-to. So I'm super excited to try that. I love romaine, but I don't think I've ever had Grand Rapids. Maybe I have. It's a form of lettuce, so it's probably something pretty easy to obtain, and you know, when you're making salads. But usually I'm a romaine girl. And then last but not least, I got some microgreen salad mix, and you know, just to add a little bit more greenery to my salad. So if I could get this to grow as well, that'll be good. That'll be perfect. I'll just keep growing until, you know, something grows, and then I'll do a taste test, and hopefully I'll have some good stuff. I can come back and show you guys what I make. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Again, I'm pretty new to this as far as growing plants from scratch. Like super excited to learn and see what grows in the garden when I get to, you know, that stage in this adventure. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share this video, subscribe if you like. Again, my name is Shanae, and I see you on the next video. Peace.